Alright, we got a BorgWarner 1356 transfer case. Somebody's already been working on, they've already put an encoder motor. They've already adjusted the encoder motor and got it all screwed up. Pops out of gear. And the transmission's full of water. They don't want to do anything with the transmission. Say it's working fine. Well, it may be working fine at the moment, but it won't be shortly. It's 10 millimeters on all of that. On this clutch back here that goes through the case, we got these 3 wires. We're going to need to know where they were so that we can put them back. So I'm going to take a picture of this. So we got to pull that deal out of the center there. And the other style that's really easy, you just grab it with a pair of needle nose pliers and pull it out. You need to make sure and not lose that thing. So there's just a little locking tab in there. Just release it and pull the wire out. Now our motor will come off. Alright, our nut back here, I'm not sure what size it is. I have a socket that will fit it somewhat. All the markings are ground off of it because I had to make it fit down inside something. It's somewhere between 1 5/16 and 1 3/16, so probably 1 1/4 inches. We got a rubber washer and a metal washer there. The one I'm really concerned about is right here because this socket's already starting to split, so it may split it. Same thing here, there's a rubber and a metal. Alright, 50 torques. Here's our tag, it tells us what parts are in here, what part series and what transfer case we got. 1356-80. So 50 torques on these. I'll just go ahead and take these out. know it's going to need a clutch for sure, because the wires are all coming apart. All this oil sitting on them just makes them deteriorate. The snap ring's not broke. I thought it would be broken, but our wires are all screwed. This sensor here is all messed up. And we'll go ahead and we'll take the case off. We'll see what we got. You need a pair of snap ring pliers. They make a updated snap ring for this. Not wanting to let go. There we go. The rod likes to wear out the case right here. So we're going to need a new coil. Gonna need a new sensor. Let's see what we got in here. Why we're popping out. Got our spring here. There's a snap ring here. Get a pair of snap ring pliers like this. Chain's looking pretty slack. Got a washer and a snap ring. Chain will come off now. Probably got enough slack that it will do it. Sprocket looks okay. Magnet. Where did you come from? I think it came off of there. Our fork looks okay. That looks okay. I was really expecting to see one of these forks did not look right. You can see that's where it's been popping out. Not engaging the planetary. So we're going to need this. I'm going to need to go ahead and replace these. These are bad about breaking. I'll take that coil apart in a minute. I mean the clutch. Go ahead and get our planetary out of here. I'm going to pull our front seal out. You can see that's what the tranny fluid looks like. So it's been looking pretty bad. Alright, there's a snap ring inside there. Check our bearing. Feels okay. Ring gear is okay. Teeth are pretty rounded where the deal engages there. So we're going to need our planet, that piece. Let's see what this looks like. And a pair of snap ring pliers again. Come on now. Let go. There we go. That's pretty stout right there. Alright. Looking pretty rough in the back. Been slipping and looking pretty rough too. So we're going to need all that. Sprocket looks okay. Meters on this. Looks like we may be getting a reman or a used one for this one. These things here are bad about breaking also. shaft looks okay. Our pump looks okay. I think we'll be fine with the pump. We'll see if they're willing to spend the money. Need a coil, sensor, planet, hub, clutch, and a seal kit for it. Probably another encoder motor since they've been screwing around messing with the adjustments on it. So we'll be back if we sell it.